welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. Today I want to show you a few different hairstyles that are quick and easy to do. Alright, so let's get started. Here I am just prepping my hair. I'm using the Curlsmith gel. It's really lightweight, just so my flyaways aren't in the way. So after I part my hair to one side, I pretty much just comb everything down. So this hairstyle I'm gonna call the side part with a low bun. I apologize for my 3-month postpartum hair loss. I don't know what is going on, but that hair loss is for real. I just gather it all together. If you want to make it even more perfect, I would add a ponytail and then do the bun after, just so the back of your hair, as you can see in the video, my hair got a little bit messed up. Alright, so hairstyle number 2, I'm gonna call this the middle part / low bun. So I'm parting my hair straight through the middle. I really don't prefer this one just because I have a widow's peak, so parting my hair in the middle is a little hard and it looks a little funny on me. So what I do, I actually add bangs to this, and it kind of covers up that I have a widow's peak. Again, I am combing everything through just to make sure that nothing is bumpy or out of place. So hairstyle number 3, I am calling this the high bun with curls. So with this hairstyle, I typically try to do it on my second day hair. It's a lot easier. My hair has more volume to it. It's dry, so I kind of like the messy look. Here, obviously my hair is wet, and I just wanted to show you that it's a really easy hairstyle to do, but I prefer doing this on day 2 of hair. So I pretty much just get any flyaways, I guess you want to call it, and I pull those down, and then I either, if my hair is wet, obviously I'm gonna blow dry it, and then after that I will get my curling wand and I will start curling it to kind of get it a little bit organized but a little bit messy, if you know what I mean. Okay, for my last and final hairstyle, I'm calling this one the middle part with a twist. Again, I am parting my hair through the middle, and as you can see, it's really simple. I am just twisting my hair, and every time I twist, I add a little bit more and work my way down to the bottom. So once I get to the bottom, I grab a scrunchie and I tie it just to secure it so the twist will not fall apart while I do the other side. This one as well, I love to do on second day hair. I have And this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Okay, so that concludes our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you next week. Bye guys!